G'day all. Sorry it's been a while since I've done a video, but what a stunning car to present to fill in the void. This is a 1959 Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud, and this car is quite literally about as perfect as you can get. Restoration started about 30 years ago, but in more recent years, everything completely finished off, and it is an absolute darling of a car. I believe over 400,000 was spent over in the last 30 odd years. $400,000. And it was carried out, all the work was carried out by Simon and Ralph Curzon, who in my opinion rank as probably the world's best when it comes to Silver Cloud. I'll always give them a run for their money on Silver Shadows. I don't think anyone beats us on that. Corniche as well. But when it comes to clouds, these are the guys. So this car is now available for sale by Parkwood. And make no mistake, this is not some $40,000 or $50,000 eBay average example, but a truly stunning show class example that in fact has won awards, the most recent being at the RROC meet in Colorado Springs, just past here in 2025. So go to my website, have a look. Pretty much all of you know me by now, but those that don't, my name is Rod Sala, and I can be found at park-ward.com.